Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video, and in this video I want to show you my Canteen Kit. Okay, so this is one of my favorite kits in my backpack. Actually, I have a lot of favorites, but again, I just like my kits and I like to be organized. I like to know where things are and have everything together. So this is my Canteen Kit, and this is my favorite way to carry water and to purify water and to make coffee. Okay, so this is a military surplus pouch. It's a 1 quart canteen cover, and this is an insulated one, and I believe this is like Vietnam era, I think. And it's just a neat pouch, and it has I think these are Alice clips, and so I could actually put this on outside of a pack or on a belt or attach it to other things, but I really enjoy this pouch. It's a U.S. Army pouch. So open it up and show you what's in it. Okay. So I have my canteen in here. Okay, so I need to fill it up. I drank some of it. So I got a few different things here. So I have a canteen, I have a canteen cup, and I have a canteen stove. And then I have something else in here. I'll show you in a second here. But okay, first of all, that's my canteen, and this is just like the military canteens, the plastic ones. But I got this. It's a little bit better. It's a step up. This is a Nalgene, but it's exactly the same size as the military ones. I just like this better because it's clear. You can see how much water you have. It doesn't taste like plastic, and it's leak proof, and it's just a little bit sturdier than the other ones. But that's my canteen. And I have these in plastic just because, so they don't get sooty and stuff, so I just kind of keep them in plastic bags. This is my canteen cup, military surplus canteen. You can see it's well used. My favorite way to make coffee is on an open fire with my canteen cup, and yeah. And this is the stove, canteen cup stove. There's different ways you can use this, so you know let's see here. Yeah, you can set it in that way. Then it gets kind of stuck, but you can do it that way. Or I think the better way is to do it this way, and it kind of wedges in, kind of. Well, wait, I don't know. I don't remember how. I use it different ways. Or you could just set it on like that, and then you get more fire coming around it. What's really neat is you could actually build a wood fire under the stove. You can put an alcohol stove in there. You can put a solid fuel stove in there, and it just works for a lot of different things. And it just all nests together. I like things that nest together. But yeah, so that's that. Canteen cup, canteen stove, and I got on the bottom of the pouch here, I have a lid. And this doesn't come with canteen cups, but I bought it. It's an aftermarket thing, and it fits perfect on here. Whoa, hello. Because when you're boiling water, if you have a lid on it, it just boils faster and boils better, and yeah, so that's that. And yeah, so this is my favorite way to carry water, and I have different ways and different packs and stuff. I have Nalgene bottles. I can take Walmart bottles, whatever. Other different ones that I have. I got a couple of aluminum ones or stainless steel ones or whatever. But this is my favorite way to carry water in a canteen. And it's also my favorite way to boil water, to purify water. You know, you get water out of a creek or stream or a river, lake, whatever, puddle, pond, whatever. If you're low on water and you're for survival situation, you need to boil the water. There's different ways to purify water. You can boil it, use a filter, or aqua tabs. I think boiling is the best and easiest way. You can always do that over an open fire. You got to have some kind of metal container. You should always have that in your pack so that you can always boil water. So it's my favorite way to carry water, boil water, and my favorite way to make coffee. And yeah, I just think it works really well. It's just kind of nostalgic, and it's great gear, and I just really enjoy it. Also, there's a little pocket on the side here, and in here I have a little mini Bic lighter with duct tape on it, because that could be a fire starter, or you could use to repair things. And yeah, I just like to have that on there. And then I have some purification tablets in there too. And all of that is in this one kit, and it's just handy and it works really nice, and I really like it. Again, I usually have this in my pack, whatever pack I'm taking, usually in my smaller day pack. But I can put it on my belt, I can put it on the outside of other different kind of pouches and kits and packs, and yeah, I just really like that. Again, it's my favorite way to carry water, to purify water, and to make coffee. Yeah, that's my Canteen Kit. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and please give this a like if you liked it, and subscribe and share and comment and all that stuff. So again, I'm doing a series here of all my kits that I have in my backpacks, and you can watch the playlist of all these videos. And yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.